How to change TikTok playback speed. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to change TikTok playback speed. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok right here, and then from in there you can just click on this plus icon right here in order to edit the video. So just click on that, and from in here you can just record a video, or you can also upload. So for me, I can just upload a video, so click on that, and once you're in there, just choose a video that you want to upload. So for me, I will choose this one right here. And then after you have chosen a video, what you can do next is just click on this editor pro right here. Then once you have clicked on that, then click on edit right here, and then from in there you can see the option per speed. So click on speed right there, and you can just choose what speed you want it to be. So for example, you want it 10 times, so you can just save on that. And then after you have clicked on save right here, after that just click on next right here. So let's click on next right here, and then from in there you can just post your video. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change TikTok playback speed. If you have comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.